Hey, what's up, Kishu holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. My friends, so in this video, I'm doing a price prediction of the Kisho INU. What will be the tomorrow price of the Kisho? In this video, I will show you, friends, on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of previous pricings. So keep watch this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. First of all, my friends, I want to ask one question from everyone. Please ask me this question in a comment box. Answer me this question: is Kesho a good investment or not? Tell me your opinion about this sentence, my friends. Is Kesho a good or investment or not? Tell me. And now the current situation of the Kesho is going wrong. You can see here that is the currently and latest price update of the Kishu. I'm sorry, but the pricing is negative 0.191%, and the price at this time of the Kishu is 0.00001 USD dollar. In this time the price of Kishu is absolutely, I know that, very low, but with the passage of time the price will become increase. Let me show you, friends, the price chart of the Kishu, my friends. Now for the next 5 days, 4 days, the Kishu price is completely fast down. Completely, my friends, that is predication about the Kishu. You can see here now on the screen chart tell us that they will start completely in, you can see here, after this fast. After completing this fast, the Kishu will again start pumping, and that is the next move for the Kishu. So what you think about Kishu? Please also tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel, my friends. Here is the tomorrow price of the Kishu. Tomorrow is the 11th June 2021, and tomorrow price is 0.00001 USD dollar, and the maximum price, sorry, the minimum price of the Kishu is 0.00001 USD dollar, and the maximum price is 0.00001 USD dollar. That is the next target for the Kisho INU, my friends. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.